Welcome to Insurance Alert Broadcast. I am Vivek Jain here, Editor in Chief. Today we are going to talk to Dr. S. Prakash. Dr. Prakash is a Managing Director of Star Health and Allied Insurance Company. With Mr. Prakash, we will find out how penetration of insurance can be increased in India. So let's talk to him. Uh,
Yeah,
so my first question to you is, how do you think penetration, which is very low in India, of insurance, we can improve this penetration?
yeah. Penetration in the insurance sector is currently low. It is growing. It only tells us that the outer potential for the market is very high. Till we reach global standards of insurance penetration, we have a lot of opportunity to grow in India. In this financial year, FY21, first half of the year, we find that general insurance, usually that grows around 13 to 14% year on year. This half yearly, we see less than 2% growth. This is because the motor insurance has taken a dip, whereas fire has done well. And health in the non-life segment has done extremely well. But in the months to come, there are good chances for motor to pick up. Property insurances are now covering only damage. If they can also cover business continuity and any interruption in business because of conditions like COVID and cyber security, there may be more avenues for insurance to grow. This I'm talking about the general insurance sector.
Yeah.
In the health insurance side, in this half yearly, industry has definitely grown very well, particularly in the retail segment and among standalone health insurers. The growth is above 40%. So health insurance has got group, retail and government business. Retail segment of health insurance has the highest potential to grow. And retail segment of health insurance has the highest profit revenue also. So that is of interest to the industry and need of the industry also. So retail health insurance in India among standalone health insurance is going above 40%, which is very good in this year. Overall, last year, health insurance on without PA health alone was close to 52,000 crore. And this year, it is expected to cross very easily 65 and it may reach around 70,000 crore. So these are all unprecedented times where COVID-19 has created a lot of fear among the public. With every pandemic, there comes a fear, but it always leaves behind a legacy. And this time it is expected to leave a legacy of, health insurance coverage, increasing penetration in India. And this fear is expected to continue for 2 to 3 years. So I foresee that insurance industry is growing. All the more term insurance in life and health insurance in non-life. Both these areas are exclusively growing very high. And for further continuing growth, health is a very highly service-intensive business. Potential for the business to grow in India is very high because as a medical doctor in health insurance space, I can tell you, people are living longer. Say life expectancy at the time of independence used to be some 37 to 38 years on an average. But now it has reached 69 to 72 years between male and female. So life expectancy is on the rise. That's a very good thing that we see in India. People are able to celebrate their 60th birthday and 80th birthday. But unfortunately, they're able to live beyond 60 years, but they are able to live only with the support of some medicines, some treatments. For example, the knee that could not bear the weight all these years, they go for a knee replacement. The eyes, which are almost worn out, they go for a cataract and intraocular lens implantation. The heart, which is weary, they are going for a cardiac coronary stent, PTCA, or bypass surgery. And cancer also, they are able to diagnose at a very early age and they're able to live 10, 15 years. It is not only the survival, but also the quality of life after a treatment for cancer. We see all these improvements happening. So with the technological advancements and awareness among the people, The quality of care today available in some of the hospitals in India are at par with what is available in the Western world. And internet has actually shrunk the size of the world. We are able to offer the state-of-the-art treatment that is available in the Western world in India, according to the protocols, according to the guidelines that is followed and accepted internationally. So what does that mean? People are going to live longer, but people are going to be diagnosed with some non-communicable disease like diabetes or hypertension or heart disease or cancer or degenerative joint problem. Every one of us have to pass through that. So definitely these requires a proper treatment in an organized and a structured environment. Okay. So with health insurance, the individual have the confidence and the financial backup to reach a center which has the state-of-the-art facility, and they can have their treatment done without much compromise. Because health insurers, see, we are Star Health Insurance, we are the first insurance company to have medical people at the helm of affairs in designing a product, in delivering the service, and even in handling the grievances. We design the insurance product based on the market requirement. We do a research. That is the reason why we are able to come up with products for people diagnosed with heart disease, people living with cancer, people who are diabetics. We have policy which gives day one cover. And people who are senior citizens, above 65 up to 75 years, we give insurance cover. So the medical wisdom with insurance knowledge that helped us to know what is required in the market. And we're able to come up with products. Definitely these products are going to be very useful for the public. That is the reason why there's a lot of interest shown by our 400,000 plus advisors who work for our brand. And they're able to take our retail business to a very dominant level that we have now 30% of the market share. We're able to overtake public sectors who are there for decades. And private general insurers and standalone insurers, overall, we are number one in retail health insurance with 30% market share. But still, there is a lot to achieve. That's what, because as I said, people are living longer and there are advancements. What they need is a good financial support. It is not only financial support. We from Star Health Insurance, we are trying to say to our customers, health insurance is not only for paying your health-related claims. It is not just healthcare financing. It is also to authenticate and validate your claims when you go to a hospital. Authenticate the need for a surgery, need for a procedure. Is a diagnosis appropriate? Is a line of management given by the hospital is in line with international or national guidelines? Are my customers safe in the hands of the concerned hospitals which they have chosen? Are we able to help prevent any medical mishap? Can we guarantee a safe and appropriate treatment? In the name of advanced treatment, our customers need not be misguided and they need not spend more money. It is not only spending money, it is also exposing the body to radiation or unnecessary antibiotics, which are going to spoil their immunity. So we are trying to tell that we have qualified medical doctors to process the claims where they do a case management concept. They are almost seeing the patient through screen and they are studying. We have all qualified specialists, cardiologists, oncologists, gynecologists. These claims are seen by the concerned specialists. They look into the need and the necessity of the procedure and then they approve the claim. So in that case, we are very happy, very glad to serve our customers more than just healthcare. What we have promised in our insurance policy is only healthcare financing, but what we delivered is more than healthcare financing.
So you basically, what I could make out, that it is not only selling, it is the servicing which is very important to increase the penetration.
Definitely, sir. Selling up to the point the brand is popular, selling up to the point that the individual is not aware of health insurance. Once individuals are aware, now today with the pandemic and all that, people are aware of health insurance. And with the increasing cost, people are aware of the healthcare cost. And the financial literacy is not like before. Per capita income is also on the rise. So people say health insurance is it can safeguard their wealth, their savings. It is like an indirect I got stuck. I'll come to that. Health insurance definitely, like, it's like a collateral security.
Yeah.
It is a collateral security to all your savings, your FDs or gold, whatever you have. So people have realized the need for health insurance, and people are medically aware these days. Hence, insurance can grow through digital means, meaning that at the comfort of one's living room, somebody can book a policy. So what they need is only basic knowledge of the different products that are available, which the the information about the products are available on the website. So sitting at one's comfort, somebody can buy a policy, but the one is going to choose the company and the cover based on the service capabilities. So the future of health insurance is going to be service dependent. Service efficiency is going to mark, because when they want to redeem, when they want to utilize the insurance cover, what they look forward is service. So that is the reason why standalone health insurers are doing well. Others are not able to do, because overall, life insurance, the number of claims vis-a-vis health insurance claims, maybe they will do whatever is done by the industry in a year by life insurers, health insurance may do in a day. So much is the claims, it's a service intensive business. So naturally the penetration, any brand should reach its prominence. They have to grow for the first 10 years, develop their brand image. Once developed, it is a service efficiency which is going to attract more and more agents to promote the same product.
Fantastic. So, sir, coming to the conclusion of our discussion, I think a good product which suits the specific kind of people, those who are looking for whatever disease they have, and a good service along with a good agent network can help in increasing the penetration.
You are right. Diversified products and dedicated distribution channels.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time. And
Bye.
Namaskar.